Hello there. It is a little bit after 5, almost 10 minutes after 5, and it is December 31st, the last day of 2018. And this is Yvonne de Celis. I'm Yvonne de Celis. Hello there, from YDCtv. I'm just going to do this one training video one more time because I think maybe because of the bruises from before or whatever, I don't know, but I just wanted to show this video one more time because I thought this was a really excellent energy medicine exercise. I hope I'm coming through loud and clear. Headphone problem still, but I am going to get something soon. So anyway, wanted to just show you this. This is called the Triple Warmer Smoothie, and I learned this one from Donna Eden. So here we go. You start with your hands on your eyes. And by the way, breathing practices for most energy exercises are breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. When you breathe in, have your tongue touch the roof of your mouth, tongue touch the roof of the mouth, and then when you breathe out, let your tongue drop and breathe out through the mouth. But just breathe whatever way is most comfortable. If you can't do that comfortably, just breathe however is best for you. So again, hands on the eyes, and breathe in, breathe out, and as you breathe out, move your hands so that your fingers are on your temples. Turn your hands so that your palms are facing down. Breathe in, out again. And on this out breath, you're going to move your hands, start to tilt them because you're going to go over the back and behind your ears and just trace down the neck and then back and around until you get to right where the shoulders are, and then just grab, dig in a little bit with your fingers and just let your elbows hang down. Another breath. And out. Now if you want to, you can end it here. But one thing that I've seen Donna Eden do that I really liked was the next move. So on the out breath, you're going to bring your hands down and just let them cross and go down and around a little bit. You're going to give yourself kind of a self-hug. So just about to right where the elbows are. And just give yourself a self-hug. Go back and forth a little bit. And you can end the exercise right here. And that's just fine. And that's it. So that's a good one. It's the Triple Warmer Smoothie, a very good, calming, relaxing exercise. Also helpful for things like reducing blood sugar if you want to make sure your blood sugar is lowered. The reason that one works is because it sedates the triple warmer somewhat. And again, the triple warmer is basically the part of your body that has that fight or flight response. So basically, it helps to turn that trigger effect down because apparently that attacks certain parts of your body that can actually regulate your blood sugar. So again, not a replacement for a doctor, but a very good way of doing something very quickly and easily to make yourself feel better. I hope that does help you. Also wanted to say to everybody, have a very happy new year, and I hope that everyone has a much, much better 2019 than we did for 2018. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for your visit. I appreciate you being here. If you do have any spare time, can you please subscribe to this channel? And I would point down, but to be honest, I'm not really sure which side the subscribe button is. There's also a YDCtv icon. If you click on that, that will subscribe you to my channel for free. So anyway, if you could do that, that'd be great. Anything else you can do, that's fine too. And if you don't have time for anything, then just thanks again for coming to visit me here. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate your visit. So again, have a wonderful 2019. Namaste. And peace and light. Thanks again. Cheers.